This is my 1994 Dodge van. It's a 5.9 liter engine, and this is a quick tour of a few things I've learned about my engine and where everything is. So I'll just do a quick point out a few things that I've learned. Let's see. So over here we have the crank angle sensor. There's a couple of bolts that come out, and this wire right here goes into that. And just to the left, we've got the oil pressure sensor. We got the wire going into that. And over here, we've got the camshaft angle sensor that feeds into the distributor. Let's see. Over here, we've got the EGR valve and some of the components that go with that. The sensor here. To the right, we've got the PCV valve, and as we move to the left, this is part of the evap system here, sensor. And up at the throttle body, we've got the idle air control valve / motor. Over here we've got the throttle position sensor, and over on the back side we've got the map sensor here, manifold absolute pressure. So, cable on the right here is the gas pedal. Cable on the left is for the cruise control. It feeds up here. And also part of the cruise control is this vacuum line right here. It also feeds up into this same cable housing that goes over by the headlight, behind the headlight on the passenger side. Let's see what else. You've got this thing here. I believe it's the intake air temperature. And then one other thing, whether we can see it or not, is right down there, that wire goes to the coolant temperature. And the thermostat right down in there. And this vacuum right here, this line right here, is part of the air conditioning, heating and air conditioning system. It goes off that way and goes up, works its way up behind the heating and air conditioning system. And down here we've got our ignition coil. So that's about all I got for now.